Hello, today we will guide you through how to view alerts on ThinkorSwim. In this walkthrough, we'll set up an alert directly from a chart so you can be notified when price reaches a level that matters to you. ThinkorSwim is a powerful platform with lots of tools, but creating an alert can be done quickly once you know where to look. Start by opening the ThinkorSwim desktop platform. Give it a moment to load your workspace. Along the top of the platform, locate the Charts tab. This is where you'll spend most of your time analyzing price action, and it's also the most intuitive place to create alerts tied to the current symbol. Click the Charts tab to bring a chart into focus. You should see the main price pane with candles or bars, plus any studies you've added. Keep your cursor over the main price area of the chart. Now right-click anywhere on that price pane. Right-clicking on the chart opens a context menu tailored to chart actions, which is the fastest route to alert tools. From the menu that appears, select Create Alert. This opens the alert dialog tied to the point or condition you clicked. ThinkorSwim will pre-fill common settings, typically using the current symbol and a simple condition such as the last price crossing a specific level. These defaults are designed to work out of the box for straightforward price alerts. In this example, we'll leave the defaults as they are and click Create. Keeping the preset values is a quick way to get an alert up and running without overthinking configuration. Once you click Create, the platform begins monitoring that condition behind the scenes. When the condition is met, you'll receive a notification according to your existing platform settings. A few helpful notes as you work through this. If the Create Alert option doesn't appear, make sure you right-clicked on the price pane rather than on a study subpanel or the volume area. If your chart is zoomed far out or showing extended hours, be aware that the alert will still use the condition defined in the dialog you just confirmed. You may also see a marker on the chart that indicates the alert level. It's a quick visual cue that the alert is active. Remember, alerts are notifications, not orders, so they won't buy or sell for you. They're best used as a prompt to return to the chart and make a decision. With the chart open, a quick right-click, selecting Create Alert, and confirming the defaults is often all you need to stay on top of key price moves in ThinkorSwim.